Ash vacuum cleaners make a once messy chore streamlined and cleaner. Although they look like the typical ShopVac, ash vacuums are designed solely to suction warm and cold ashes from fireplaces, wood stoves, fire pits, and barbecues. Regular vacuum cleaners do not have fire-resistant components, and you might damage yours if you use it on hot ash. These machines are specially designed to handle the fine particles that can damage regular vacuums. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. We are starting our list with the Tacklife PVC3A Ash Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum has a washable and replaceable fire-resistant filter system that filters out the most excellent dust and ash. Its quiet and powerful 800-watt motor generates more than 15 kPa suction power for dry use only. With the washable non-woven fabric FB01A, the ash vacuum avoids the problem of filter clogging. Also, the non-woven fabric prevents small particles, such as ash, from directly blocking the filter. This ash vacuum offers a large capacity at 18 liters, which prevents you from emptying after every use, allowing you to collect ash at once. On the other hand, the 5 meters wire and 1 meter metal hose make you do the cleaning work freely and unrestrainedly. Moreover, the inside of the hose is provided with steel wire to prevent burning ash from burning, and you can connect the aluminum tube that can help the flexible pipe to vacuum dust. Next up on the list, we have Workshop WS0500 Ash. It offers a dominant performance, and with this compact ash vacuum, cleaner cleaning of ashes and fine dust under 122 degrees Fahrenheit becomes quicker and more comfortable. The LED light on the AshVac's hose end for better visibility into stoves, pits, and fireplaces. HEPA media filter in this ash vacuum cleaner helps capture ashes, dust, and fine particles, and is coated with a non-stick material to help reduce filter clogging. The large carry handle on the ash vacuum cleaner for easy transport to pellet stoves, fireplaces, or chimneys. Also, it features an 8-foot power cord that stores conveniently by wrapping it around the handle. Plus, the included metal nozzle and wand store away neatly in the integrated slots on vacuum's caddy. Up next on the list, we have PowerSmith AVC102. This ash vacuum cleaner comes with a 10-foot hose and wheels, making vacuuming safe, secure, and quick. Its washable and replaceable, heat-resistant filter traps the most excellent dust and ash. The vacuum cleaner offers a heat-resistant metal hose and metal canister with 4-gallon ash capacity. It has a powerful 10-amp motor, which only produces 79 dBs of sound, that makes the job easier. You can connect the hose to the air outlet, which allows you to use it as a blower. Additionally, it offers convenient on-board accessory storage, top carrying handle, and wheeled base for portability. You can clean warm and cold ash out of fireplaces, wood stoves, pellet stoves, and BBQ grills. The Bacoang Ash 200L Ash Vacuum Cleaner is designed specifically for cold ash pickup out of fireplaces, wood stoves, pellet stoves, and BBQ grills. It is equipped with a reusable HEPA and a washable filter bag, which traps fine dust particles and prevents stray particles. This double-stage filtration system helps prevent fine dust particles from escaping into your breathing space. and protecting the motor from being damaged. Its powerful 1200-watt motor brings plenty of suction power, and the 10-amp motor comes with heating protection. Also, the filling level indicator on the vacuum tells you when to empty the canister. The 1.5 meter extended lined metal hose and 4.5 meter cable allow you to clean all corners easier. Another advantage is that it provides a 5.3 gallon metal canister that gives sufficient capacity for dust and ash. On the other hand, the filtration system works at high speeds to ensure the motor remains free from damage caused by ash and dust. Meet up the all-new Snow Joe Ash J201 Ash Vacuum. It comes with an extra-large metal canister that offers a capacity of 4.8 gallons of ashes. The vacuum is equipped with a powerful 4-amp motor that generates up to 500 watts of suction power and 42.4 cubic feet per minute of airflow. It is focused on picking up the cold ash from wood stoves, pellet stoves, fireplaces, fire pits, and BBQ grills. It's a self-contained, bag-free system which allows for easy ash removal with a simple lift of the container lid. Other features include a safety stop switch to prevent the ash vac from operating without a properly fitted filter. This vacuum uses a wire filter basket to protect the fine dust filter and has a comfortable carry handle. However, it includes an inspection window blockage indicator and an onboard cord/hose organizer for convenient storage. Another advantage is that it uses a dual filtration system that employs a coarse dust pre-filter and a fine dust pleiated filter. This filtration system effectively traps dust particles during the ash cleaning process and prevents them from escaping into your breathing space. The next product on the list is the ShopVac 4041-300 Ash Vacuum Cleaner. This ash vacuum cleaner comes with a durable vinyl-covered flexible steel hose, metal intake nozzle, metal crevice tool, and a pellet stove cleaning kit. It has an automatic resetting thermal cutoff, shuts down the motor in the event of overheating. While the two-stage filtration system prevents ash discharge. This vac features a powerful bypass motor and a thermal protective device for user safety. The two-stage filtration system includes a stationary metal screen and an efficient HEPA cartridge filter. The cartridge filter is located in its compartment and comes with a pellet stove cleaning kit. Finally, at the top of the list, we have Loveless Cougar MU405 Ash Vacuum Cleaner. This cleaner is equipped with a patented dual filtration system that captures the tiny dust particles found in a wood stove, barbecue, pellet stoves, and fireplaces, etc. This vacuum is capable of removing cold to warm fine ash, not hot charcoal or ash. It features a steel nozzle with a 5-foot flame-resistant hose and a fireproof 3-gallon steel chamber. Also, it uses fire-resistant fabric that rated up to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, and the rest is made up of thermoplastic material that can withstand high temperatures. It has a 6-amp electric motor that is capable of pulling 124 cubic feet of air per minute. On the other hand, it provides a metal carry handle that attaches right to the 6-gallon canister, making it move the ash vacuum and dumping it out quickly and conveniently. Another advantage is that the filters can be cleaned without removing them from the vacuum, eliminating any potential mess. I hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos.